Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Anaga Singh. I am HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department at Pravin Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. My subject is Industrial Engineering and Quality Control with subject code 22567. Now we will be continuing with chapter 1 part 2 work study, in that method study and work measurement. So here the learning outcomes we have already seen. Learning outcomes will remain same, that is industrial engineering definition and scope, work study, method study and time study. In method study we are going to see definition, objectives, procedure and selection of work, then recording techniques, process charts, outline process chart, flow process chart, two-handed process chart, CMO chart, multiple activity chart, flow diagram, string diagram, Thurblin's travel chart, etc. Work measurement, objectives, procedure, time study equipment, stopwatch, time study allowances, calculation of standard time. Now let us see the selection of work for method study. Method study means change for the better. Any change is normally resisted by the people. This resistance may be from all levels from the top. So it is necessary to combine the employees and get their wholehearted cooperation if method study is to be succeed. The electiveness of method study can be proved by improving can be provided by improving some unpopular jobs which are unsafe, dirty or inconvenient from the point of view of employees. That job under study should be viewed in perspective with the related components. Factors for selection of work for method study. Now let us see what are the factors for the selection of work for method study. In the choice of the job to be studied, the following factors should be kept in a mind. Factors for selection of the work for method study. Three factors are there: economic considerations, technical considerations and human reactions. First of all, economic consideration. Cost is the usual basis for the selection of the job for method study. It is waste of time to carry out the study if the economic importance of the job is small, or if the job is likely to be discontinued or modified in the future. The time and money spent in conducting the long investigation should be justified by the saving resulting from it. Technical considerations. As regards technical aspects, method study engineer should make sure that adequate technical knowledge is available to carry out the study and overcome the manufacturing difficulties. Human reactions. It is quite difficult to predict employee attitude since mental and emotional reactions are to be investigated and changes of method should be anticipated. If the study of particular job appears to be leading to unrest or ill feeling, leave it alone even though it is economical. Method study engineers make sure that selected job is positive about workers' physical and mental conditions. Recording techniques. The success of whole procedure depends upon the accuracy with which the facts are recorded, because they will provide the basis of both the critical examination and development of the improved method. All the facts relating to selected jobs are recorded in form charts and diagrams. They comprise of charts indicating process sequence, charts using time scale, models and diagrams indicating movement. Charts indicating process sequence. It consists of outline process chart, flow process chart. Again, flow process chart is divided as man type, material type and equipment type. Next chart is using time scale. It consists of multiple activity chart and CMO chart. Next, models and diagrams indicating movement. It consists of flow diagram, string diagram, cycle graph, chronocycle graph, 2 3-dimensional models. Now let us understand what is process chart. A chart may be a diagram, picture or a graph which gives an overall view of the process. A chart representing a process may be called as process chart. A process chart records graphically or diagrammatically in sequence the operations connected with the process. Charts are generally represented by symbols. Symbols produce a better picture and quick understanding of the facts. Process chart uses the following 5 basic symbols to record the different types of activities. Process chart symbols. You can see the symbols of process chart in this slide. Symbol is a circle. Activity is operation. It indicates the main steps in the process, method or procedure. Usually the material or product concerned is modified or changed during the operation. For example, cutting bar on a power back saw, filling, facing, etc. Inspection, filling or facing, etc. Now here, second is square. It represents the inspection. Inspection is an act of checking for correctness of the quality or quality of items. Example, gauging piston pin or checking the hardness of the mild steel piece. Then arrow indicates transport. This indicates the movement of workers, materials or equipments from one place to the another. MS bar being sent from stores to the machine shop. Gear blank from lathe to the milling machine, etc. So these are the examples. Then this symbol in that circle and one arrow which is inside that circle, it indicates operation cum transport. Its meaning is articles are being painted as the chain conveyor transports them. That means operation is also taking place and at the same time its transportation is also taking place. Then next symbol is this square. Inside this square one circle is there. Inspection cum operation. Example of this is a power milk tin being weighted as it is filled. Both the events occur simultaneously. Outline process chart. Now here in this slide you can see the definition of outline process chart. What is the definition? Sometimes in the initial stages of the study, an overall view of the job under the study can be obtained by recording only the key operations and inspections without going into the operations and inspections and other activities like delay movements and storages. Such a chart is known as an outline process chart. The outline process chart gives the overall picture of the process. It is the graphic representation of the points at which material enters into the process and of the sequence of all the operations and inspections associated with the process. The general flow of the process is indicated by vertical lines while horizontal line indicates the material being introduced. The chart does not show where work takes place or who performs it. It is only concerned with the operations and inspection. Hence, only 2 of 5 symbols are used in this type of chart. Following example shows the construction of an outline process chart for manufacturing an axle and castle nut assembly. So let us see manufacturing of axle and castle nut assembly outline process chart. Here in this slide you can see the diagram of axle and castle nut assembly. Here outline process chart. Chart starts at machining of the axle. Chart ends at inspection of the component and chart is present or proposed. Here in this slide you can see outline process chart. This is the format of drawing outline process chart. It consists of on the left hand side axle, raw material 55 by 12 and on right side castle nut M10, axle turning diameter 1, that is operation 1 is turning the diameter, then second is inspection, that is first step of inspection, then machining head, second component machining head operation again, then again inspection of machining head, second inspection, then third is threading, fourth is chamfering. Okay, in case of castle nut also first operation is facing, second operation is turning, then again inspection is going on, then threading, uh, drill hole for split pin number 4, chamfering number 5. So here you can see the final assembly and final inspection. Means in this symbol circle represents the operation and square represents the inspection. The frequency of operation is 10 and frequency of inspection is 4. Then next example is changing refill of ball point pen. Now chart begins with unscrew the cap and chart ends with screw the cap. So first operation is unscrew the cap, second operation unscrew the neck, third operation remove the old refill, fourth operation assemble the spring on the new refill, fifth operation place the refill in the barrel, sixth operation screw the neck. Next after that inspection is going on, so it is first inspection, check if the ball pen writes, and seventh is screw the cap. Then next outline process chart for to replace the punctured tire of the car. So chart begins with remove the tire nuts and chart ends with tightens the tire nut. So here first process is remove punctured tire by loosening the nut. Second, remove the tube from the tire. First inspection, inspect the puncture and put a mark on it. Then third, puncture repairing. Again second inspection, inspect the foreign material is removed from the tire. Fourth, again one operation, fit the tube in the tire. Fifth operation, fill the air in the repaired tire. And sixth operation, fit the tire to the car by tightening the nut. So this is again a outline process chart. So here we stop. Thank you.